nagpadala na si Cherry ng pictures, video naman. So, ito yung bahay namin. Ayun yung kotse, tsaka yung mga sampay. Tsaka yung basurahan. Okay? Yun yung front door. Yun yung bintana ng kwarto namin. Okay? Tadadun. Pasok tayo sa front door. There, we have a red front door. Ay, wala nang battery. Ito yung stairs paakyat. Ito yung storage. Lagyan ng shoes. Oh, magulo. Ito yung room namin. Dresser, the bed. Okay, punta tayo sa room ng kids. Bunk bed. Si Raj sa taas. Si Elle sa baba. There. And their dresser. Ah, hindi pala. Wardrobe. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Nag-video ako ha. Up the stairs. Up! Sampayan ng mga underwear. There. The sala. TV na binigay. And si Cherry. Hello. And there's our dining table na may tira pang gamit. And there's a kitchen. La la la. Oh, meron ditong hidden treasure. Dito yung aming washing machine. Okay? Dun dun dun. Dito yung aming bathroom. Hello, bathroom. Okay? And last, we're going to our balcony para makita natin yung bahay ni Tirina. Okay? Okay. There. This is our balcony. And yung bahay ni Tirina is 3 trees. Hindi nyo makita, but believe me, it's through those trees. And this is what we see in our balcony. Dummy trees. We have a palm tree or whatever that tree is, coconut. And we have a bamboo tree. Cool? And dito, yung aming garden. No, ito na garden. Diyan daw dapat magsa-slide sila Raj. It's on an incline. Box sliding. Okay? That's it.